So back in 2005, the UN got together with a group of institutions and institutional investors, and they formed 6 guiding principles for responsible investments, almost as beacons for other people to follow if they wanted to try and implement responsible investment into their ESG solutions. And the 6 principles still stand. They are: Principle 1, we will incorporate ESG issues into investment analysis and decision-making processes. Principle 2, we will be active owners and incorporate ESG issues into our ownership policies and practices. Principle 3, we will seek appropriate disclosure on ESG issues by the entities in which we invest. Principle 4, we will promote acceptance and implementation of the principles within the investment industry. Principle 5, we will work together to enhance our effectiveness in implementing the principles. And lastly, Principle 6, we will each report on our activities and progress towards implementing the principles. Once those principles were embedded and decided upon, any institution then can become a signatory of the PRI, meaning that they agree to follow those 6 core principles within their investment recommendations and selections. Now, the number of institutions that have become signatories is increasing by the year. It's almost looking rather exponential over the last few years, but it does cost to become a signatory. So not all companies will become a signatory, but they will at least agree to follow those 6 principles, albeit not as a signatory. Now, this is one core data set that we are collecting, so you can very quickly check within a fund fact sheet whether that fund provider is a signatory to the PRI. And indeed, within time, we expect that to make its way into the fund filter, so you can quickly filter on funds that are and are not a signature of the PRI.